Hey there, future homeowners! Today we're diving into the world of FHA loans. First things first, what exactly is an FHA loan? FHA loans are insured by the Federal Housing Administration and are designed to make homeownership more accessible. FHA loans can be a lifeline for those who may not qualify for conventional loans. Now, how do FHA loans differ from conventional loans? You see, the major difference lies in government insurance. This government insurance makes FHA loans a less risky proposition for lenders. On the other hand, conventional loans lack this government safety net, making them slightly riskier for lenders. Now, this difference has a ripple effect on the eligibility requirements. For an FHA loan, you can get away with a lower credit score, sometimes as low as 580, versus 620 for conventional loans. Down payment requirements for FHA loans can also be as little as 3.5% down, while conventional loans often require a minimum of 5%. Who's eligible for an FHA loan? Good question. FHA loans are not just for first-time homebuyers. Anyone can apply. The first criteria is that you need a steady employment history. This doesn't mean you need to have been at the same job for a decade. It just means that your income needs to be stable and predictable. Next, you'll need a valid social security number. This is a standard requirement for most loans, not just FHA ones. You also need to be a lawful resident of the United States. Importantly, FHA loans must only be used to buy a primary residence and not investment properties. Lastly, your debt-to-income ratio must be lower than 45%. Now let's talk down payments. One of the perks of FHA loans is that the down payment requirements are generally lower compared to conventional loans. With an FHA loan, you might only need to put down as little as 3.5% of the home's purchase price if your credit score is 580 or higher. Those with scores from 500 to 579 must pay 10%. It is important to note, however, that a private mortgage insurance, also known as PMI, is required if you put down less than 20%, which can add to the total cost of the loan. To summarize, FHA loans are government-insured loans, differing from conventional loans in their lower down payment needs and lenient credit requirements. To qualify, you'll need a minimum credit score and a certain debt-to-income ratio, plus there's the requirement of paying for mortgage insurance. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to FHA loans. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or looking for a more accessible path to homeownership, FHA loans could be your key. Happy house hunting!